In superops.ai, you will be able to set up sales inbox and manage all your client conversations and prospect negotiations apart from ticketing. To set up your sales inbox, kindly navigate to Settings. Click on Domain and Email. Here, click on the Sales tab to configure your sales inbox settings. First, you can set up your custom outgoing address so that all communication is sent from your custom mailbox. Then, you can configure your forwarding address, and then set up a forwarding rule within your mailbox to have them directed to the same, so that all the emails that you receive are converted to client conversations. You also have the option to set your preference for the email signature, where you can choose between the technician's name or the MSP's name. Once you are done with the setup, you can click on Save. Now, to access the client conversations, you can navigate to Modules and click on Sales Inbox. You will have all the conversations listed here. One of the best things about SuperOps is that you will be able to classify your clients based on the stage in which you are working with them. This helps you classify between your active clients and your prospects. So, when you are accessing the sales inbox, you will be able to easily differentiate between client conversations and your prospect negotiations. Within the sales inbox, you will directly be able to respond to the incoming client emails. And you also have the ability to compose new marketing emails and proposals that can be sent to your clients and prospects. With the sales inbox in SuperOps, acting as your single source of truth for all your client conversations, we intend to reduce the time and need to rely on yet another tool to track them, providing a truly unified experience. Thank you so much for watching. In case you need any further assistance, feel free to reach out to us.